Yeah, hello, my viewers. Hello, my fans all over the world. Please, before you skip this video, just give me few minutes of your time. I just want to let you guys know because the way things are now in Nigeria, now when it comes to Facebook monetization, since they started paying, Nigerians are qualified for monetization. Since then, my DM, you don't fool. So, but the problem is that it's not for you to like started creating content or looking for page to like start doing your thing. The problem is that did you have passion for this particular thing? Did you have passion for content? Or you just find yourself in a situation because of you see this one doing it, this one is doing it, this one is doing it, he's making money from it out of it. But meanwhile, have you sit down to ask yourself if you have passion for this exact thing you are doing? Because number one, I don't see no reason why you waste your time for something you don't have good passion for. This is not your dream. This is not your Z. Okay, you want to do something that, okay, probably in the next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you still find yourself or enjoying doing that particular thing. Because most times nowadays, you see some people, okay, probably they want to go into skills. Then at the end of it, after they are maybe probably due to the kind of skills they learn the skills for like 5 years, 2 years, 3 years. Then at the end, they just abandon that one for another. It's not paying. That is very, very bad. It's just as if maybe your years was just put to a trash. You just waste time totally. It don't make sense. See, this content of 18, I don't know how you guys are seeing it. Maybe probably when you don't see person, don't do job finish, don't post them. You say, oh man, this one maybe probably some content is 1 minute, 2 minutes video, 3, 5, so on and so forth. You will just say they easy. Bro, don't be sad they encourage you, but it know they easy. Because content creating alone. And probably if you are doing the kind of content that maybe it's not just one man content, you have to do with characters of people. To be a leader is not a day job. Most times you might put your time for location. Okay, everybody should come at this place for the location. Maybe probably your time might be by 10, 11, so on and so forth. But at the end of the day, before you see, even say that particular time you are there, because normally you are the leader, you are supposed to be there. You are there. You wait probably for like 2 to 3 hours. What you will see is one person. At the end of the day, maybe if you are looking for like 5 characters to use, at the end of the day, you end up seeing 2. And if you cannot fix in 1 or 2 places, that day will be a waste. If you go back, if you are not strong, if you are not focused, Baba, if this thing jam you, if you get this kind of incidents 2, 3 times, you will feel discouraged. Just like the way I'm doing my thing. It has not been easy for me. When I see you go, call my girl, call my daughter, come, everybody come put it has not been easy. Before you succeed, probably you go wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning as early as 4:30 to start making arrangements. Even if when I have a group, normally you have a group to put things together, to drop notice, so that I'm shooting. That's how it's been done. But you still you update them. The so time was okay. Like tomorrow is the day. Come to time. For where most people they will just come as when you, and most probably when your account is not being monetized, maybe you don't have that money. You are just working with friends, with people that just this thing, they be like this in content, more they do am small small. And when the money no come, they come. You go back tire. If you no get courage, you myself the thing go tire you. So it's not for you to because of the don't they pay, no go rush you go. Did you have passion for this particular thing? Challenge is there, more. But I'm not telling you to like no make you just drop because of it. No. If you have passion and you want to start it, go ahead. Because you see content, there is 100 and I be in a million foot content that has not been reviewed. People some people never even come to think about them. But if you are good, if you can think outside the box, then you come with such content, my brother. Some people might be 2 years in this content, their account has not been monetized. Some a year, some 3 years, their account has not been monetized. But you go just come less than a year and why? due to your kind of content, because you have seen that, then you look. Before you go, you look, see, this person do this. Come with a different thing. Come with a different ball game altogether. Come with different strategy. Bro, you hit it. You will be like, say, maybe, one magic. It's not magic. It's not magic. Most time, come with a content that you think outside the box. Just think what people, this person, this particular thing, create it. Everything is about creativity. You create it. When you present it to the audience, bro, you no get a bad person to say, see, follow me, or share my videos. If the thing they funny, they interesting. Baba, now you get it. Before you even wake up, self, you go see your inbox. You go see shares, you go see comments sometimes. Some of the shares and comments, I didn't even fit attend to all of them finish. And it's not easy. But what I want to tell you is that, please, if you want to go into content, there are a lot of people in social media. I can monetize Facebook page, I can do this, I can see, Baba. Be careful so that you will not fall in a wrong hand. Boys dey wey don use this opportunity now say, this one now, no worry, this one they go call am update. What they call it now is update. I can monetize Facebook, I can give you followers, I can. My brother, be careful before you fall into wrong hand, because it has never been easy. But once you start a successful journey, they say a journey of 10 miles start with a step, and you know this particular journey you are going for, you will definitely hit the end. My brother, don't worry how long it will take you, but just have one thing in mind, that no matter what, you must definitely get to your destination. So that is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Peace out. It's same your home guy, Mr. Innocent. Please, if you love this piece of advice, you know what to do. Help me share this video. Go viral. Thank you. One love.